California's tech elite are angry over a potential wealth tax in the Golden State. The heated debate played out largely on X, where some tech leaders have called out Silicon Valley Congressman Khanna for supporting the idea. Y Combinator's Gary Tan has even called for a primary challenge for Khanna. In a statement, Congressman Khanna's office said he has always supported a modest wealth tax on billionaires to deal with staggering inequality and to make sure people have health care, while also advocating for common sense workarounds. Joining us now, Ben Narasin, founder of Tenacity Venture Capital. This is just such a multifaceted discussion we can have. Ben, we've had Roe on many times. I don't think he always did support what he's now calling a moderate wealth tax. I think in the past, he's come down on the side of a lot of his constituents and not. And then I think about, does California need more money to waste? I mean, is that really the answer for how to deal with things out there?
It's pretty tough to be so, I don't know, proven to be poor at your job of spending money that isn't yours and then to ask for more. You know, California's own accounting group said that they found $9.6 billion worth of waste and inappropriately spent capital and fiscal malfeasance. And, you know, we went from a surplus to a deficit, of course. But, you know, this is just the same as always. This is political pandering to the proletariat. It's a let's tax the rich and help you, little guy and gal. It has no basis in anything that works. There's no country in the world where a wealth tax has worked, with one exception, and that's Switzerland, and they do it in an extremely logical and fair way. You know, it would take you 20 years of paying Swiss wealth taxes just to equal what you would have paid on a gain in the United States through capital gains. So, you know, this is a bunch of chest pounding. I really hope it doesn't pass. We had this conversation when Kamala was running. It's just an idiotic concept that is nothing more than political positioning. Having said that, Mandami won in the same way. So, you know, I'm worried about that.
Then there's two issues here, I think, if you boil it all the way down. And one is if someone accrues a lot of wealth paying, and I've seen people say, I paid 53% to accrue all this wealth. Now I've got it. It's private property. There's no way that you can just say, now I want some of it. That's confiscatory. You've already paid taxes on it. Then there's founders' shares. The people that found a company, let's say it's at $1, and now it's at $1,000, and they borrow money against the gains to live off those. Then they die, and their heirs get it, and it's never taxed, basically. And I almost can see, and Bill Ackman's got a way that you could maybe address that. I don't know how much money it would raise. It's not going to solve California's problems, you know. And
don't forget the fact that there's well-documented cases where countries and states create wealth taxes, and you see massive fleeing of wealth.
You do. But
France in 1989 lost, by their own numbers, 10 to 12,000 millionaires when millionaires mattered, you know, back in the 80s.